lost boy from Neverland, usually hanging out with Peter Pan. And when we're bored we play in the woods, always on the run from Captain Hook.
Weston Productions.
Bitch, fuck it, it's a waterfall. You said you wanna hurt my feelings and you did it, so that's why I don't wanna be involved. Don't try to text or call, you did a good job. Just let the water fall, just let the water fall. I'm hurting, I ain't never been this hurt before. I'm putting in this work when my little youngest stabbing at your throat. ADC, why you always low? Because I'm always on my own. Picture a picture with the people that's always alone. Smile on my face, but it ain't great cause I'm all in my zone. I took the hate for advantage cause they had my job. I take the blame for it cause I just put that shit in my song. I take the first step and they saying that I'm in the wrong. I said while listening, my blood is really sizzling. I put my words inside the box, I guess you call me Roddy Rich. I'm never really calm with this, but I put myself inside this shit. I love the bitch, but she not real cause I guess she not innocent. Bitch, fuck it, it's a waterfall. You said you wanna hurt my feelings and you did it, so that's why I don't wanna be involved. Don't try to text or call, you did a good job. Just let the water fall, just let the water fall. I'm hurting, I ain't never been this hurt before. I'm putting in this work when my little youngest stabbing at your throat. ADC, why you always low? Because I'm always on my own. Picture a picture with the people that's always alone.